Good story, you should tell them. My name is Renee Amelia. This little song I wrote about my beautiful mom. My mom suffers from MS, so always says that the sun is good for her bones. This song's called It's Been Raining Too Much.
There's been out even wanna go out now. These good cows keep giving me down. They keep keeping me down. And my mom's been sick for a while now, Lord. Here, all this time, she could use some sun on their bound.